What up? What up? It's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and welcome to Everyday FXT. It's been a minute, guys, since I've uploaded. I've uploaded on Monday, so I know this thing is becoming a habit, but it's not really my intention not to upload for you guys. My intention is to upload every day. That's the main reason why I'm doing this every day. So I couldn't upload yesterday because of one reason and one reason only. That's because of load shedding again. Okay, guys. Before I dive straight into it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, or let me say subscribe, like, comment, and share. It sounds better that way. Yeah. And the other thing is, I know I didn't upload yesterday, but the bias for Monday is still the same. The bias is still the same. Everything is just falling into puzzle. So everything looks good. There's no complaints, no problem now whatsoever. And without any further ado, let's dive in straight into our first pair of the day, which is USDJPY. Wanna know why I start with USDJPY? It's because this pair is giving me problems. It's giving me problems. I struggle to understand where it's going. Because right now this pair is in the middle of nowhere. I don't know what this area is. I don't really know what's going on here. Why aren't you moving? Why are you here? Why are you not getting to this area? Why are you not coming here? Come here at least. Give us something. At least when it comes here, we'll know what to do after that. But for now, I'm not ready to tell you what to do, what not to do. But all I can say is that I am not doing anything for this pay. Cause fine, fine. Our main point is for this pay to get here, and then we'll know what to do when it gets here. But then this pay came here, broke very impassively. God damn, very impulsively to the upside. And then broke this area, came to retest, broke the second higher high, came to retest it. One thing for sure is that a nice thing is that it still is trading above the previous higher low. But here it gave us equal highs. Question mark. So let's see. Let me just do this. Let's see if this pair can be able to come here without really violating the previous high lows. Let's just wait and see what will happen. Then from there we'll know what to do. So if prices come all the way here or violate these areas right here, or prices just might just continue all the way down up to here, and then that will confirm to us that our formal retest for the broken trend line. Market might just continue all the way down here, violate these previous high lows, and then get here to give us a nice retest and then continue all the way to the upside. That is possible, guys. That is possible. That is possible. But then let's wait and see. It's in the middle of nowhere. You don't know what it's doing. Give us double higher highs, equal higher highs. It's ranging it between the highest high and the previous low. So If it gets here and violates this area, we know that something is not right. Yeah, that's it for USDJPY. Let me move to interesting pairs. Interesting pairs like GBP, USD, a pound and a dollar. Yeah, a pound and a dollar. This pay is interesting. This pay has been giving me money. Wow. Okay, guys, I ate. I ate today. I ate. Like, I entered, hit my TP, entered again. Yeah. You enter, take your TPs, you enter again. You don't have to worry what the pay is doing, what not the pay is doing. So, like I say, when I say the bias is still the same, yeah. The bias is still the same cause we can see that the market, like I said, broke below this trend line, came to retest this trend line, and with doing that, what I actually say is that the market, if it breaks below here, comes to test this area. If it comes to test this area, we don't buy until it comes to test this area. So it came and closed below, shot all the way to the upside, told people not to do anything before it comes and tests this support trend line in a formal way, in a more respectable way. So I remember I had a line exactly right here. Yeah, exactly right here. Because all we had was these weeks closing above, giving us weeks closing above, and then it came in, gave us a nice bullish engulfing. This bullish engulfing from there is shot all the way to the upside. Let me go down to a 15-minute. Hey, I say 15 minutes. 165. 15-minute. So if you look closely on our 15 minutes, as soon as it gave us this bullish engulfing, short and close above, I bought. Guys. Took my profits here. It was not a TP, but I took my profits exactly here. Then broke this area, which if I extend this, it's this area right here. Broke this area, came back to retest it. I bought again and retested this area. Because remember, I didn't have this when I bought. Didn't have this. All I had was a smaller time frame. I removed I removed everything, and I was trading the 15 minute. That's all I had. And then I bought again in the middle of here. Yeah, in the middle of this, yeah, before this week, I know I closed my profits exactly here. Bought here, took my profits here. Yeah, that was super nice and simple. And then market short and it closed above. I placed a buy again. I placed a buy, and then the market short upside, and then it came back down very impulsively. My stop was somewhere below here. It didn't hit my stop, and then shot all the way to the upside again, and then it promised to go up, and then rejected, and then came to hit my stop, and then it shot continuously to the upside, rejected with the inverse hammer, and then boom, shot all the way to the upside to test the trend line for the third time. Yeah, it's 1, 2, and 3. I won't count this. 1, 2, and 3. Nice, super nice and easy. When it gave me a rejection here, this rejection right here, this rejection right here. So we saw the market coming down very impulsive, and when it got to this key area, you can see this key level. This key level. This is a very a high key level. Came to this key level, and then it rejected it. At the same time, the trend line. and everything said GBPUSD is buying. I placed my buy. As soon as it rejected and closed above, I placed my buy. Boom, shot all the way to the upside. I took my TP here, and then it came back to retest this key area, and then I bought again, came all the way to here, and then it rejected. I took my TPs, or when it rejected, I think somewhere here, took my TPs, closed, because I knew that, hey, this load shedding thing might do its things at that time. Yeah, that's French. And then it came back down, got to this area as a retest, and then continue all the way to the upside. And then now I'm looking to place a buy, but not now. If it's still roaming around this area, or let me just, let me not be greedy, let me wait for it to break above this area. And then as soon as it breaks above this area, wait for it to retest, and then I buy again. Super nice. And I ate on GBPUSD, guys, not to lie. And the other thing that confirmed that GBPUSD is buying for me is if I go down to this thing. I didn't show you guys, but I'm showing you now. Why? Because I love you guys. So that is what we have. Boom. Boom. And you know what's nice is that what happens below happens on the upside. Bang. So now we know, now we confirm that the market has to continue all the way to the upside. So now that we have this this resistance trend line, we know that the market has to shoot all the way to this trend line. What I can do, or what I anticipate, is if the market is still roaming around these areas, like I said before, if the market is still roaming around this area, between here and here, god damn, I'm buying when it gets to this support, this resistance, which was turned out a support. So the market shot upside, closed above, it came back to give us a short retest. That's not a formal retest. Looking for the market to shoot all the way to here, come back to give us a formal retest somewhere in this area, and then I buy all the way to this. Nice and easy. Super nice and easy. Yeah, that's it for GBPUSD. Last but not least, still the same bias, it's USDCAD. USDCAD. So you know what I said, guys. You know what I said, and it's exactly happening. It's happening. I said the market would come down, come retest this area, and then gave us a formal retest. I did anticipate that the market will range within this area to touch this resistant trend line, which in the most kind of it's not how I anticipated it to correct, but it is correcting now. Let's just wait and see, because it really hasn't closed below this low here. It really hasn't closed below it. Other than that, it's still ranging between the very same area that I was ranging. Now, yeah, let's wait for it to correct until it ranges, at least come touch this area and then I'm ready to sell all the way here. I know it's small TP. I mean, you can't say no to the $100 or something. If you go to even more smaller time frame, you see that it's a lot of money. It's not small. It's a lot of money. So correct you market, correct. Come and test this trend line. This resistance trend line is all I'm asking. Other than that, I'm not selling you. Even if you can go down and break below, I'm not selling you. Yeah, and that's it for USDCAD, guys. It's still in a range. It's still correcting. Who knows where it's going? I don't know. It knows where it's driving itself to. So that's it for today. Let me tap into US 30, US 30, even US 30, guys. US 30 is still confusing me. Let me just say that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, good people. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, if you enjoyed the content, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Share with your friends, family, and comment on the comment section down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what pair you'd like me to add. And tell me if you're okay with what I'm doing and you're enjoying the content. Even if you don't enjoy it, it's fine. Just tell me. And I'll improvise. That's the whole purpose of it. I enjoy more negative feedback than positive feedback. Yeah, I know it doesn't make sense, but it is what it is, guys. Let's make this money, or we are going to suffer in the long run. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just love the structure of GBPUSD. Ash, everyone has it. And that's it for today, guys. It's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and I am signing out. Peace.